Boom! Twig stove. I just made this. This is the first burn, the test burn. This is my prototype. As you can see, it took a while, but it's going. The wood was damp because it's so snowy out, but I should have collected the wood a couple days before, but busy. But it's raging. So, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this twig stove. Super simple, very little material. If you have better tools than I did, it's going to be so much easier. I didn't have the best tools. I don't have a workshop here. So, I struggled a bit, but the process was fun. It's easy to make. There's only really 3 or 4 steps, including drilling all the air holes. So, yeah, this is a twig stove, and it'll save you $100 of buying one in the store. So, take a look.
Today I will be attempting to build my own twig stove. I'm just going to use scrap metal. I'm going to need a tape measure. I'm going to need a marker. I'm going to need a straight edge and some tin snips to cut the metal. This stove does not have hinges or any fasteners. It's just going to fit together like puzzle pieces. And I'll show you what I mean after I cut the pieces, but I've never done this before, so this is going to be a new experience for me, so hopefully it works. First, you're going to need your steel, a tape measure, and your marker. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to make 6 rectangles, and each rectangle will be the same. It'll be 3 inches by 5 inches. So make your markings on your steel.